Hi there, students. To frolic, a verb. It could also be a noun, a frolic, I think less common, or frolicking, perhaps, as an adjective. Okay, to frolic is to play about, to jump and move around in a happy way. So I have the idea of children frolicking at the seaside, jumping up and down and playing in the water and throwing water at each other and things like that. Or maybe a group of young puppies frolicking with each other. They're jumping, they're playing, they're hitting each other, they're doing all sorts of things. So to frolic, to play about, to cavort, to frisk, to gamble, to romp, yeah? Children playing. It was just a harmless frolic, yeah? The kids were having fun and frolicking in the park. They were enjoying themselves. They were playful. Yeah, if frolicking is something that not only young kids do. It's possible to frolic when you're older, but maybe you don't have so much energy. Some people think that going to the beach and lying in the sun is a way of frolicking. Or perhaps the young birds were frolicking on the bird table. So to be playful, to be merry, to be happy. Yeah, play. It's got movement and energy and play and all sorts of energy. When you're merry, you're happy. Yeah, so frolicking. Behaving in a playful way, perhaps even playing pranks as well. So yeah, they were frolicking. The lambs in the meadow were frolicking. Yeah, probably that example's a bit corny, but it's not bad. Okay, so to amuse oneself, to make merry. I didn't go to university, so I could frolic with the people there. I went there to learn, to romp, to run about happily. The children were frolicking in the park. To frolic at a party, I guess there was lots of frolic at the party. Fun, merriment, mischief. Now, let's see, some of the dictionaries have said, the example, he was accused of frolicking with his secretary. I think it's implying sex, but it doesn't say it necessarily. I think this is probably a metaphor. So, frolicking with his girlfriend, maybe it could refer to sex, but I think probably only just. For me, frolicking is where somebody is bubbly, they're effervescent, they're vivacious, they're happy, they're high-spirited, they're bouncy, they're jumping up and down and shouting and having fun and enjoying themselves. Yeah, so you watch young animals frolicking. Yeah, or maybe. When you're young, you go out on a Saturday night for fun and frolic. Or yes, a good bar or a good restaurant for parents is one where the kids want to go off and frolic in on the things that this place has for them to play with. Yeah, or there were puppies. We went to see the puppies frolicking. Okay, so playing around, being happy. Okay, formality. It's not that formal. I'm going to give it a 6.5, 6 in formality. So use semi-formal conversation, semi-formal, formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Dutch vrolijk, meaning cheerful. From Proto-Germanic, frakilas. Okay, so it's been around for quite a while. So frolic. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Frolic.